Hey guys, today we are gonna fully pressure wash the mower, plus the seats and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, so I'll do that. Got some lights on it. The headlights won't go anywhere because I zip tied them in place. We have about an hour in here. I went down to the tire store, got one new tire and the other one beaded because the other old tire had leaks in the sidewalls. Made my wallet cry a little bit, 63 bucks. And then our gasket and thing for our this here, so that it doesn't leak out or anything, is here in the mail. So I'm gonna get all that stuff put on, and then our mower is gonna be pretty dang good put together. So yeah, and then I might put the seat back on then. Well, I might need to do a pulley there, but yeah. Okay, stay with me. Not to mention, got a new spark plug because that old one is pretty dang good. Like, try to cold start it here. There is nothing going on there, so you need the spark plug. It ain't perfect, but I believe it'll get better over time. Looking pretty. Even got a shut off for the valve. Nice stuff. So that is done. There's our shiny new spark plug. Okay. Now I'll cold start with the new spark plug in. And this, gotta make sure that is on and not off. It is. Gosh dang it, I need a new I need to charge my battery. So I got it on the battery charger. It's going up, and yeah. Here is the mower right now, and our great 14 horsepower engine. I actually know there's an engine somewhere that I could get working. It's 14.5 horsepower. I also know of a 24 horsepower, but these work. But it is having trouble, so don't know what's wrong with it. But yeah, probably just battery. Good morning. Just got done doing chicken chores. Just got done charging it too. Oh yeah. It's a lot better. I'm just here to take a picture of this so that I can get me a drive belt. Just did a great cold start on the mower. I just had to charge that battery. Yep. Here she is. Still need a drive belt. And we have her driving. Yep. I put all the rest of the stuff on the mower. We still do need a pulley, but with a pulley it will be driving, and then I will consider doing a swap. But yeah. You're in the garbage. Yep. So this is my my throttle. Push it down. It pulls that. Works good. There's a spring here and then there's a spring under here. So this spring just helps to pull it up because this spring doesn't have enough power. So it's 2 springs. So if you're going fast for a long time, you're working. I wonder how. So guys, I am done with this mower now. All I need to do is wait for my my belt to come. And look, I top her off. Guess what, guys? I got a pulley. The same day, actually, my dad had one at his shop. Look at how beautiful that is. Ha ha ha. She goes slow. Just the thought of bringing something that hasn't ran for 20 years back to life is just so great. Oh, baseball. Oh. That's my car there. Don't ask why it's filled with ducks. That's my sister's doing. Yeah, it ain't thawed out enough though. Come on, man, keep going. They hit you back. No, I like when the dirt is squishy and it's muddy and squishy and great. If I press on the throttle too much, it chokes. Because that's just how this was made. The throttle was right here and I put it on the ground. So, yeah. But what can you do when it's hydrostatic? over on this thing. I think it's like not very tippable at all. You know, it was really hard to tip it over when I was trying to put the pulley on. Which actually, when I actually had the pulley, I didn't tip it over, but there's 10 minutes of me riding on my mower. I wonder what that noise is. There, it's kind of done. Whatever. It's a great little mower. Bruce. No, don't you do it. Tell you, this thing idles good. Just, is that my belt making that noise? What be you rubbing on? Hey, this belt action looking pretty dang good. Get back on it. I have to put it here for it not to go because in neutral it actually goes. Yeah, I'm gonna get a smaller pulley on the back so that I can actually go a bit faster than this. Because this is freaking slow. But freaking slow. Oh, come on. I know you got to continue. Slow idler. Yeah. Oh, also, I need you guys' help. I need y'all's help. Should I put the handle box on this thing? I'm not gonna be going far on it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it much. I'm either gonna put it here, or I'm gonna put it on the side like this, and it's gonna hang over a bit. So what do y'all think? I don't know about it, but it's your guys' question and answer, so please comment down below for that one. It's going backwards. Yeah, cool stuff. Dirty, y'all. Look at this. Dirty. And it's fun. I love it. But it gets too mud. Portland was the place to go for mudding. I just had a full day of mudding. Look at that stuff. Oops, I've lost my screw. Good thing that stayed there. Wonder where my screw would have gone. There she is. Even hot here. Can't imagine how hot the exhaust is. But yeah, works pretty dang good. Lights still work. Didn't have much of any trouble. Except for like whenever I got stuck. But like just regular running it, like down the road, darn. It runs like a top. It is a good engine. Kohler made some good engines. And I admire that. Because I got one of their engines and I want a good engine that doesn't fail me when I'm, yeah. You know, The only thing I don't like about this is how the choke is like connected to the throttle. So if I go too far, it gets mad at me. Yeah, I got her dirty. And that is great. There is a problem. These two tires are offline, you know. Look at how much mud is in there. Let's see how much gas we used today. Look at the lines. We used like about half the tank. Yeah. Half tank, maybe 1.5 thirds. Wait, 1.5 thirds is half. Just a little bit under half of the tank. Hours of running it and just about half the tank. Great stuff. This thing's pretty fuel efficient, if by what I'd say, you know. All that running for just about 2.5 gallons. I would definitely do again. Definitely. There is a problem here though. These tires love to veer to the right while I'm pushing it. So then it doesn't go. Other than that, it's good. Look at this. Grass on it. Be hot. Yep. But like underneath it. Yeah. Cold start, no choke. Start right up. You need a pressure washing. Oh, you sure do. Oh, you sure do. I think this motor's got an overhead valve, just like all of them. Every single one of them. Yeah. So I pressed the neutral button because this is where neutral actually is, and this is where it thinks neutral is. This is not neutral for the mower. This is forwards for the mower. So I put it on where neutral is, and then I just press the sensor button, and it works perfectly. Because if I try to start it when it's other like that, it's really hard to start it. So, yeah, cool stuff.